Ladies and gentlemen, Jay Hafe, you're up in Oshkosh. Look at that pile of snow. I mean, this is, you know, one of the worst storms that we've seen here in Wisconsin in a long time. You can tell by this car here, it's snowed in. They're talking about bringing a backhoe in to get it out. I'm gonna wander around here a little bit and check out and see what is going on here, folks. These are the type of times that you need a four-wheel drive, which I don't have, but no big deal. Look at the drifts here. If you had your car in the garage, good luck getting it out. That pile of snow has got to be 15 feet high. And this one here, they're not even going to try to get out. All these places that they have their vehicles in their garages, it's just, yeah, it's amazing. It's hard to actually tell how much snow that we have because it's so piled up, and then the wind is so strong. It's blizzard conditions here, folks. I guess in some places they need a crawler loader to move the snow around. You look there, that's, you know, and that's almost 2 feet deep there, 2 to 3 feet deep. I know a lot of people were saying it wasn't done, but they're right, it wasn't done, folks. It's still snowing and stuff. There's a four-wheel drive and he's buried. All right, folks, there it is, the blizzard of March 2026 in Wisconsin. The wind is just blowing like crazy, folks. It's a blizzard. Thank you.